Exploring the world of game mods. Enhance your gaming experience. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a really exciting topic to discuss, especially for the gamers among us. We are going to talk about game mods. If you have ever played video games, you might have heard this term. But what does it actually mean? Let's dive in and find out together. First things first, let's break down the term. Game mods is short for game modifications. These are changes or additions made to a video game by its players, rather than the game's original developers. Modifying a game can range from small changes, like altering the game's graphics or sounds, to larger transformations that can completely change how the game is played. Mods are a way for players to personalize their gaming experience and share their creativity with the gaming community. Now that we understand what game mods are, let's take a look at the different types of mods out there. 1. Graphical mods. These mods change the game's visuals. They can enhance the graphics, add new skins for characters, or even create a completely new environment. 2. Gameplay mods. These mods alter how the game is played. They can add new features, change game mechanics, or introduce new quests and stories. 3. Quality of life mods. These are smaller mods that make the game more convenient and enjoyable to play. They can include things like inventory management improvements or bug fixes. 4. Conversion mods. These are major mods that can transform the game into a completely new experience, sometimes even creating a new game altogether. Using game mods is relatively straightforward, but it can vary from game to game. Generally, you would need to download the mod from a trusted website, and then add the mod files to your game's installation folder. Always remember to back up your game files before adding any mods, in case anything goes wrong. Mods can greatly enhance your gaming experience, but there are some risks involved as well. Benefits. 1. Increased replayability. 2. Enhanced graphics and features. 3. A personalized gaming experience. 4. A vibrant modding community. Risks. 1. Potential for bugs and glitches. 2. Risk of downloading malicious software. 3. Possibility of conflicts between different mods. It's important to only download mods from trusted sources, and to keep your game and mods updated to minimize these risks. And that's a wrap on game mods. We hope this video has helped shed some light on what game mods are, the different types available, and how they can enhance your gaming experience. Remember to always mod responsibly and ensure you are downloading from safe sources. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video.